In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sum in Excel. This is one of the quickest and most useful shortcuts to learn in Excel. If you have a list of numbers and you want Excel to add them for you, this method is fast, simple, and very reliable. You do not need to type out a formula manually. Excel can usually detect the range of numbers for you automatically. Start by clicking the empty cell directly underneath your numbers, or the empty cell to the right of them, depending on how your data is arranged. If your numbers are listed in a column, click the blank cell below the last number. If your numbers are arranged in a row, click the blank cell to the right of the final number. This tells Excel where you want the total to appear. Once that cell is selected, press Alt and the equal sign at the same time on your keyboard. This shortcut activates autosum. When you do this, Excel will highlight what it believes is the range of numbers you want to add together. In most cases, Excel chooses the correct cells automatically, especially when your numbers are grouped together without empty spaces in between. Take a brief look at the highlighted range before moving on. This is helpful because it lets you confirm that Excel has selected the numbers you actually want to total. If the range looks correct, you are ready for the final step. Press Enter to confirm the highlighted range. Excel will immediately calculate the total and display the sum in the cell you selected. That is all you need to do. This shortcut is especially useful when you are working with budgets, lists of expenses, sales totals, or any spreadsheet where you need a quick total. It saves time and reduces the chance of errors compared to typing a formula by hand. It is also a great method for beginners because Excel does most of the work for you. If Excel highlights the wrong range, that usually means there is a blank cell or unrelated data nearby. In that case, simply recheck your layout before confirming. But in a clean table of numbers, this shortcut works very smoothly. So the process is simple. Select the empty result cell, press Alt and equals, then press Enter. That covers everything you need to know.